What's going on, YouTube? This is Charles come back at you with another video today, and in a series of my financial economy. Today is day 12, and as you can see, there's a nice little Bugatti right there. I decided to pull up for you guys take a look at. Get your credit up, back and get one of them. You can see where I get my images from, pixabay.com. It's no secret. Looking up something for the wife, maybe a Christmas gift. What the real reason I'm here is to look up this credit score so I can show you my progress. Some of you probably use this service called what's the name of it? Credit Karma. Credit Karma sent me a little email yesterday saying that my credit score went up because of a payment I made, and I'm thinking it was because of the other one, but I'm going to check again. As you can see, this was on the 6th, the last time I checked it. Check it today. Full update. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. And wow, it went up 17 more points. So I'm making some real progress. These last couple of days, I went up about 30 points. Okay, so I'm making some progress there. So I'm still low, but I'm at a 531 instead of a 512. So as you can see, starting to gain a little traction. Instead of doing 1 to 2 points a day, it's starting to go up more and more every day. I'm pretty sure it's going to slow down here in a second. Let's see. Let me see what else I can do to see if I can bring it up some more. Let's say they want to pay. See what's the least amount I can pay and move it up. If I pay 84, I can go 1 point. I need more than 1 point. Come on, people. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But the payment isn't going up. So I'm going to assume that depending on the way I spread the money here, it's going to be the difference in the point. Let's see. Nothing's actually changing. I don't see anything changing here. Nothing's changing, but I guess over time. So let's say 150 on our card. 150. So after a total of 150, let's see if I can get to 150, see what it'll do. 148, 152. So if I pay 152, it's saying I should be able to get 29 points by next month. And I'll be up to 560. See if I can make that happen. And to do that, I would have to pay 92 to this Capital One by the 4th the next month, 34 to this Capital One by the 8th, 25 to this one by the 29th, and back on that one. And as you can see, just doing that, let's say I want to pay a little bit more here. Well, the pay is right there, so I can just say pay, let's say 200. Trying to leave where the number will stay right there. Let's say 200. Man, it's going up pretty good. 36, 188, 200. And it's saying that this one must be, for some reason, this one must be a real high impact on my score. But this one is 140. No difference in the amount. The amount of it is different. The one with the most amount is this one. Now my alerts come in. Of course they want to come in now. One of the things I don't like about this is alerts just pop up one after another. But this one has a bigger balance, but it still wants me to pay 25. This one has a lower balance, it's still paying 34, and it's going to pay 140 on this one. Target, or I guess that says a target state balance, which is pretty good. So I'll bring it back to 150 or 150. Still can get 27 for doing 150. I should be able to do that. This is just a little overview of what can happen with you if you can pay on time, get caught up, and get someone to do your score for. My wife told me this the other day that she did have get a report in the mail of the things that got disputed on our report. So I do have some things that got disputed that came off, I'm assuming, and I'll be checking out that a little later. Let me see if I can find the page that I always can't find. Not that one. Maybe I'll remember it one day. Is it the first one? I think it's this one. Yeah, so as you can see, I'll probably do this on every video, but I'm show it again. Let's see here. Started off at, see it all. Try to get myself out of the way, but it probably won't work. Started off at a 512, went same. See it went down. Started to go up a couple points at a time. And then all of a sudden from 495 it jumped to 514. And now it's up to 530, so it jumped up more points today. So I'm well on my way to my goal. I may reach it sooner than later, which will be great. Thank you guys for watching. You have yourselves a wonderful day.